Namaste. Staying in our home, in our small space, locked down. But we should not lock down inside us. We should be more free there, more flexible there, more movements there, in our body, in our breath, in our mind. Otherwise we will feel heavy everywhere, dark everywhere. We have to move from heaviness to lightness, from darkness to light. Movements are essential, the right movements. So we will have a simple set of movements, moving the body and breath, thereby moving something inside us. We will see how we can make it. Those who have disc problems and severe lower back, neck problems, be careful when you do this. You know your problems, so you be careful. So I will show you the movements. Sitting down for a long time make the back too heavy and tight. So we have to get out from here to an animal position, the dog position. All your palms, all your knees and all your toes. Relax the spine. When you relax the spine, see that the heaviness is dropped in, and the lower back is dropped in, so that your tail end of the spine is up. The tail up is an animal, the dog, with the tail up, a free tail and a free head. The two ends of the spine free. Breathe in. And reverse this by bringing the tail down between the legs and the head between the shoulders. Breathe out, spine arched back naturally. Breathe in, relax the spine, relax your abdomen. Tail up, head up. Breathe out, tail down, head down. Put your abdomen in, breathe out. Breathe in, tail up, head up. Don't try to be perfect in the position, just move. Start move. Three to 5 times. After that, you can stretch out one of your legs to the heel of the leg and relax the spine so that the stretch is there in the tendon, in the Achilles tendon, the calf muscle, behind the knee, the hamstring. So see all of that up to the hamstrings and relax the spine. Keep breathing. Bring it back and stretch to the other leg. The same stretch behind the leg. Relax the spine. You can stay in this position for 3 to 5 breaths. Keep breathing normally. Bring it back. Relax the spine back to the dog position once again. And flatten the feet behind. Drop back and drop forward. Breathe out and relax. The child's pose, Tashandasana. Stay in this position as long as you feel like. Then sit back up in this position, Vajrasana. If you have no problem sitting like this, you can do like this. Otherwise, sit in your comfortable position. I will show you this once again, this set of movements once again, without instructions. Start with breathing in. And after this, you can just sit back, relax in your comfortable position. Use a cushion if you want, and stay and watch your body, your breath, and feel how are you. Sit as long as you feel like in the state of energized body. Deep breath and calm inside. The ideal combination: energized body, deep breath and calm mind will help us to go through this situation outside. All the best. Take care.